Strategic English for AI Patent Examiner Interviews, Sample Agendas. Welcome! In an AI compliance or technical interview, your job is to show clarity, not secrecy. Examiners want confidence that you understand your system and can explain it plainly. Prove you grasp AI basics, what the model does, what data it learned from, and how it behaves. Gently guide the examiner's questions by previewing your structure and pointing to documented evidence. Keep answers simple and defensible. Short claims you can back up with logs, metrics, or policies. If you don't know, say so and commit to follow-up. Calm, transparent communication earns trust faster than dazzling detail. Set expectations early with a crisp agenda. Say, I'll cover 5 areas. 1. System overview, what the tool does and who uses it. 2. Training data summary, types, sources, and curation steps. 3. Data governance and sourcing, licenses, consent, and auditability. 4. Model behavior and limits, performance ranges, edge cases, and human oversight. 5. Risks, mitigations, and claims. What could go wrong, what we do about it, and exactly what we promise. This structure helps examiners navigate and ask targeted questions, reducing surprises and rework. Start with a one-sentence purpose. This system classifies customer emails to route support requests within 10 seconds. Define scope clearly. List inputs, emails, metadata, outputs, priority label, routing queue, and users, support triage team. Use plain verbs like ingest, clean, label, predict, rank, and log to describe steps. Avoid hype. No claims about revolutionizing anything. Introduce acronyms once, then reuse. We use PII, Personal Identifiable Information, filters, and SLA, Service Level Agreement timers. Clear, concrete language invites better questions and shows control. Briefly inventory the data. Data types might include text, tickets, images, screenshots, and logs, clickstreams, state sources, internal archives, public datasets, and license corpora. Explain sampling and curation, time windows, deduplication, filtering PII, balancing classes, and annotation guidelines with spot checks. Address representativeness and gaps. Which languages, industries, or customer segments are covered or missing? Example: data skews to English and weekday traffic. Low representation of overnight queries. This shows you know where the model is strong and where caution or additional labeling is needed. Show control over the data's life cycle. Describe provenance and chain of custody, where data originated, transformations applied, and who handled it. Cover consent, licenses, and terms, usage rights, retention periods, and any attribution requirements. Outline quality checks and audit trails. Automated validators, annotation inter-rater agreement, and immutable logs of dataset versions. State update cadence and versioning. How often data is refreshed, semantic version numbers, and change logs linking datasets to model releases. This reassures examiners that your pipeline is traceable, lawful, and repeatable. Contrast typical cases with edge cases. Example: performs best on short, structured emails, struggles with mixed languages or heavy sarcasm. Share performance metrics with ranges. Macro F1 of 0.86 to 0.89 in latest 3 runs. Worst case 0.81 on long threads. Acknowledge known biases or blind spots. Underlabeling for minority dialects or rare categories, plus steps taken to reduce them. Explain fallbacks in human review. Abstain thresholds, rule-based handoffs, and escalation to analysts. This balance of strengths and limits signals credibility and helps set practical expectations. Name concrete risks in your controls. Sensitive data exposure, mask PII, restrict access by role and log queries, prompt injection or leakage defenses, input sanitization, allow list tools, output filters, and context separation. Red teaming and stress tests, adversarial prompts, data drift drills, and chaos scenarios with rollback plans. Use clear, narrow claim language. Promise what you can measure, like top 3 routing accuracy within agreed categories, not broad guarantees. Tie each risk to a mitigation and an owner. This shows disciplined engineering and responsible deployment. Adopt precise, reassuring language. Try: we sourced X via licensed corpus with documented terms and renewal dates. The dataset excludes Y by design to reduce privacy risk. We monitor impact on coverage. Bias checked using Z benchmark. Results improved after reweighting and calibration. Claim scope limited to A, not B. Outside that scope, the system abstains or triggers human review. Phrases like these signal structure, compliance, and humility. They also invite focused follow-ups you can answer confidently with evidence.